So guys, for this recipe we'll make use of all this ingredient. So the first that on my list is this garlic. I'm so far falling in love with garlic. We have fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper tatache, and then we have atarido or scotch bonnet. We have onions. Here I have my neatly washed chicken, and here I have my rice, and then here I have salt. This is curry, and this is everything mixed seasoning. That's a combination of garlic, bay leaves, all this parsley and the rest. So I have 2 star maggi, 2 Reiko, and 2 Niger pot, and then I have my oil here. So this is everything I will basically be using. So now I'm boiling my meat. I have my thyme, my curry, my maggi, and then my everything mixed seasoning, which has onions, garlic, ginger, and just a lot of things. So I'll allow this to simmer before adding water. I'll mix it and allow it to simmer first so that the ingredient can go into the meat. So it's time to fry our onions. I'm giving it a stir so that it will not burn on one side, okay? So this is the perfect color I'm looking for. So here we have the mixture of all our spices, ingredients, the maggi, curry, and everything I showed you earlier. So it's time to add it. So guys, for you to get that party jollof taste and color, you need a paste. Basically, it's either you use a tomato paste or you use any pepper paste. So I'm using this pepper and onion because I use more tomatoes when I was blending my combination of tomatoes and pepper and everything. So as you can see, this is the consistency we're looking for. It's thicker, right now, and it looks more better. And this is the consistency, like this how I wanted the meat to dry. Okay, I wanted it dry, I wanted it to look more dry so that it will taste crispy. You know how party food are. So our sauce is boiled already, so it's time to add in our rice. So you add in your rice if you're cooking, and after adding in your rice, you get a spoon and give it a stir. Okay, you give a very perfect stir, and after stirring, you close it and allow it to cook. Don't go too far away from your food. Okay, so you cover it, and after allowing it to cook, this is what you get at the end of the day. Even though this looks like I didn't come to visit it again, but this is the final look at the end of the day. Okay, our rice cooked well. So this is so delicious, this looks so delicious, and it tasted delicious. I got some visitors and they even testified that it tastes like a party jollof rice. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and leave a lovely comment in the comment section if you enjoyed what you just watched. So thank you so much, love you all, and see you in my next one. Bye.